This is the 27th of July, and this is Rhapsody Clicks. You may just be wondering, and you're saying to yourself, I need a change. I want to change. I cannot take this anymore. I cannot be in this situation anymore. This financial situation or health condition must change. Then you need today's Rhapsody of Realities. Go ahead and dive into it and find out how you can change any situation. If you're not yet a partner with the Rhapsody Realities, join me today to help 20 million people get a hold of this material that will transform their lives. Download the Rhapsody Realities app, and remember, this is Rhapsody Clicks. Your next level is only a click away. Have a fantastic day. God bless you.